Welcome back. We'll continue. The next topic is head and tail commands today. Okay, you know that already, head and tail commands. So head and tail commands are mainly used for. This is also filter commands. So some other filter commands I told you know. Okay, set and awk and grep command is already completed. So here few more commands. This is also filter command. So what is that? Tail command. Tail command is display the bottom of the lines. Bottom of the lines only it will be display using tail command. So head command is complementary. It is opposite to tail command. Okay, head command. So here tail command is the output will be displayed on the bottom of the top 5 lines. Bottom of the bottom 10 lines will be displayed. So the outcome of the head command is top 10 lines will be displayed. So this is the difference between head and tail commands. These two are also using for filter commands. That's why I am saying this is the also fifth unit topic. Okay, filter commands. Okay, so head and tail commands also using filter commands. We'll see first tail command. After we will see the head command. Okay, what is tail command? So it is the complementary of head command. It is the complementary of head command. What is that meaning? Head command is displayed on the top 10 lines. The tail command is displayed on the bottom 10 lines. It means that. Okay. That is the simple difference. The head command is displayed on the output is top 10 lines. The tail command is displayed on the output is bottom 10 lines. Complement. That's why. Okay. The tail command, as the name implies, print the last n number of data. Last n number of data. Suppose the file contains F1 is contains some 20 lines are there. So in the 20 lines, bottom 10 lines will be displayed. The output is called the last n number of data of a given input. Last n number of data as a given input. It is called as tail command. By default, it prints the last 10 lines. I told you already. Last 10 lines. In the bottom 20 lines is there actually. So here the output will be displayed on the 10 lines now. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These 10 lines only displayed on the screen. Because of these are the bottom 10 lines. That's why we are getting the output is bottom 10 lines. Last 10 lines is we are getting the output. Okay, that's why by default the prints the last 10 lines of the specified file. Last 10 lines of the specified file. Suppose your file contains only 15 lines. Only 15 lines. Only 15 lines. Only 15 lines is there. When will be started? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these are the last 10 lines. Okay. So are you understand this one? Very simple. Last 10 lines means bottom to up to 10 lines we will count it here. Okay. So this is called as tail command output. Okay. If more than one file name is provided, then the data from each file is processed by its file name only. Okay. So more than one file you are giving the input in the tail command. So the based on the file name it will be executed. Okay. So this is the syntax. Dollar tail. If it is option is there, you will write the option. Otherwise we are giving the input file. Single file or multiple files. F2, file 2, comma, file 3. Like that we are also giving. Okay. So this is the simple syntax using apply for tail command. You can see the output. Example. So here the how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many lines? 14 lines in this file, simple file. State.txt contains 14 lines is there. Okay. In this 14 lines, the tail command is display last 10 lines. Last 10 lines means what? In this 14, 10 lines means where it is started, 4th line. Here, this line and this line. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 lines only display the output. These 10 lines only display the output. Actually here, this is also second line. That's why the output is started go on. Okay, so see that output. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines. These lines are 10 starting lines or ending lines. These lines are ending lines. Last 10 lines. So last 10 lines means these are the last 10 lines. So this last 10 lines only display the output using tail space file name we are giving. Tail space file name we are giving. We are getting the output. This is also filter command. Simply we are using tail command. Okay. Next, we want to go for next command is head command. So head command. So head command is a complementary of tail command. Simple definition. Tail command is a complementary of head command. Head command is complementary of tail command. So in the previously tail command, last 10 lines will be displayed. But now here, top 10 lines will be displayed. Bottom 10 lines are only displayed on the tail command. And the head command, top 10 lines will be displayed using in the output as a head command. So head command is a complementary of tail command. Why? Because of top 10 lines only display. Top 10 lines only display. The head commands, as the name implies, print the top n number of data of a given input. By default, it prints the first 10 lines. It means that top 10 lines. First 10 lines means it means the top 10 lines of the specified file. We are giving the input file now. That file first 10 lines only display the output. Okay. If no more than one file name is provided in the data from the each file is provided by the file name only. Okay. So based on the file name we are giving, we are executing file 2, file 3, like that we are writing. Okay. So here $head, if it is option is there, we will write the option. Otherwise, we will give the input file, single file or multiple files we are giving as a input. Okay. So we will see the example here. This is the small example. So in this example, how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 lines is there. Here 10 lines is there. 10 lines is there. Total 13 lines, but it will be display only top 10 lines. Top 10 lines only display. Here you can see that Andhra Pradesh to Jammu Kashmir. Andhra Pradesh to Jammu Kashmir. Only top 10 lines. These are the only top 10 lines. Suppose tail command. So bottom 10 lines. Bottom 10 lines means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here to start and display the output. Here to start and display the output. Bihar to Kerala is the output of tail command. But here head command, head space, file name we are giving the input. So starting 10 lines. Andhra Pradesh to Jammu Kashmir starting 1 to 10 lines. That output will be displayed on the screen. It is very simple commands. These are also using for filter commands. Okay. So it is very useful. Regularly we are using in this commands. Okay. Head and tail commands. So here the options. These options must be follow either tail command or head command. Okay. Suppose option N means lines. It will be display lines. Option C means bytes. Number of bytes it will be display. Option Q means quit. It will be displayed using quit option. Option V means verbose mode. Option V means verbose mode. So these are the regular options we are using to execute the either head command or tail command. So these options are same as that of tail command also. Okay, not only head command, these options are working with tail command also. Okay. So here one more example. Head option N 5 state.txt. What is the option N? Meaning is 5. Okay, option N means lines. Okay, which line? Fifth line. Okay, we are mentioned the line number. This one is the line number. Okay, line number. Option N means number. So what line we are mentioned here? Fifth line. Okay, so head hyphen N 5 state.txt. Fifth line means only 5 lines only display the output. So here, so this is the file, only 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 lines only display the output. So that's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 lines only display the output. Okay, so this is called as option N output. Only here 5 we are giving. Suppose 6 we are giving, it will display the 6 line. Suppose 7 we are giving, it will display the 7 line. So that's why we are using. Here you can see that head option C 6 state.ch. Here option C means what? Option C means bytes. Okay, how many characters? So in Andhra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why I am writing 6. And in the starting line, option C 6, which file state.txt file contains, first line 6 letters only display the output. Bytes it means, actually bytes it means. Okay, so this is the output is simply display on the screen using the head command and the tail command. So these two commands are regularly we are using to get the output from the user application base. Okay, so these are also filter commands. So all these filter commands, not only filter commands are the awk, set and grep commands, but also these are also filter commands. Okay, so this will be unit is completed already. Okay, so these are the last topics. I covered many things. Okay, thank you.